All right, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive by data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am. I'm 100% come to my Malaysia.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Nothing, ma'am.
Do you have any tattoos in your skin?
Nothing, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
Yes, ma'am. I'm healthy.
If you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am. I'm an ex-abroad already
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
because Malaysia is don't have abuses and good employers.
All right. So, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Yes, ma'am. Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Rosalie Ogoy Hernando. I'm 35 years old. I live in Dagupan City, Pangasinan, Philippines. I am married and I have six children, four boys and two girls.
All right. So I need to know some few more details from you first. You are married.
Yes, ma'am.
How old is your husband and what is his occupation?
Really, ma'am, I am married, but we are already separated for 7 years. But I have
Live-in
live
partner.
in. Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Her age,
Okay. What is his age?
her his age is 47 years old, and he is a single dad.
All right. He don't have any work or what in the Philippines?
He is a chef cook, ma'am.
Chef. All right. So when is your birthday?
And on March 3, 1991.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 4'6", and my weight is 167 centimeters.
Height is 167, weight is 46.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your religion?
My religion is Roman Catholic.
What about your educational background?
My educational background is I am high school graduate.
Oh yeah. So how old are those children you have?
My children's ages are 17, 15, 12, 7, 5, and 3.
Alright. So who will going to take care of these children later once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My parents and my siblings.
How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
My mother's age is 66 and my father is 68. My mother's occupation is housewife and my father's occupation is construction worker.
Alright. How many brother and sister do you have?
My my brother is 3 and my sister is 1.
What is
And
your
I am last one.
You are the youngest. All right. So this is a 2 years contract, same like what you did. This is not your first time working abroad, right? According to your
Yes,
profile, it was stated that you have a working experience way back um, in Kuwait, and you didn't finish your contract, is it? Way
yes, ma'am.
back 2015 to 2016. You worked for how many months only?
I worked at the Kuwait at 1 year and 8 months. 8 months, ma'am.
All right. So what happened? Why you didn't finish your contract?
Because my employer migrate in Bahrain for work.
Can you share it with me? What is your job responsibilities inside the house?
My job responsibilities in their house is washing clothes, cleaning cleaning houses, cook, washing, ironing, and taking care of baby.
How old is the baby that you take care?
2 months old, ma'am.
2 months old. So you finish your contract. It's just like that your employer migrate to other countries and they send you back in the Philippines, is it? All right. So after that, uh, December 19 to May 2024, you work as what?
As nanny also.
Is it stay in maid?
Yes, ma'am.
In which part of the Philippines?
In Baguio City.
Are you sure that this is stay in maid?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Are you sure that this is a stay in maid that you work in Baguio?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
You worked there for how many years?
In 2022
How many
to
years?
2000,
According to your
I,
profile, it's December 2019 to May 2024.
it's 3 years.
3 years or 5 years?
5 years. I'm sorry, ma'am. It's 5 years.
19. What is your job responsibilities there?
I'm washing clothes, cooking, taking care of babies in school and home, cooking their food, washing their clothes. Um, there are also a pets, and I taking care of their
How many pets and what kind of pet is it?
dog and cat. No.
How many dogs and how many cats?
One cat and two dogs.
How old are those children that you take care?
There are twins, sisters and brothers. There are 21 years old, and then the twin brother and the other twin is 8 years old, and the others are 7.
How many set of twins? Two.
Two, yes, ma'am.
The twins, 21 years old, is a boy or girl?
Boy and girl, ma'am.
The 8 years
And
old?
the other one is twin boy.
Twins boy. All right. So after 2024, you don't have any working experience until recently.
Yes, ma'am.
So you are a full-time mother.
Yes, ma'am. Full time, ma'am.
So you know that working abroad is not that so easy because you already got your working experience, right?
Yes, ma'am.
But I would like to let you know the reality of working here in Malaysia. Employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. Houses here is quite big. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a 2 years contract, all right? This is not one
Yes.
year, 1 month, 2 months, 5 months, and is no such a thing that once you cannot handle your job or you feel homesick, you will just go back and then and if there is any uncertain situations happen to your family back in the Philippines, remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. You will going to
Yes, ma'am.
sign a 2 years contract, and once you terminate your contract without cause, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia. All right.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile hand phone. Are you aware that you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours?
Yes, ma'am.
You can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
With of force people to come here, it's either you agree or you disagree. Okay? If you agree, you can come work properly, but if you disagree, it's fine. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
You've been stuck in the Philippines for almost 1 decade, and now suddenly you will going to work as a domestic helper. Homesickness will strikes you anytime and anywhere. What will you gonna do, or how will you gonna handle it later?
I just want myself busy and then listening music. That's it. That's my homesick remedy.
Mind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your children also at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay? Thank you so much and have a good day.